What's up, everybody? I'm tired today, man. Like, I'm really tired. But, as I said before, I didn't record getting this uninstalled, which is the tail light and turn signal. So today, the license plate mount I have, the light didn't come yet. The running light, turn signal, all in one, the LED strip. So today I'm actually gonna mount this here. So this is the plan, to mount this here like this. I thought about making it flat like that, but I'm actually gonna keep it like this. There's gonna be a little bit of space right there, and under here is gonna be where the strip is. So I'm gonna take these plastic pieces out, probably put some kind of like tape in the back of these, and so dust and dirt don't get into it, and the strip is gonna go across like this. So this is gonna get drilled here like this, 2 holes, boop, boop, and then a strip go underneath it. So I gotta figure out where exactly to put these holes, these 2, and these are the screws that I'll be using. There you go. I like these. And yeah, so let me figure out where to put the frame at for the 2 holes, and then I'll when it's drilling time I'll start recording again. All right, guys. I just marked the holes. I hope they're even. Knowing me, they're probably slightly, because the bike should be straightened. I'm trying to do it on an angle, just to the left. This looks about right though. Looks about right. These just don't look like they're lined up though. Man, ain't nothing like drilling into your Harley, man. Let me see something. I mean, it's pretty fucking close. That's what it's gonna be. That's what it's gonna be, man. I think it's a little bit to the left too. Now I'm looking at it because it's like here. It's a little bit to the left, but you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Yeah, that's definitely not even. This is a little bit higher, I think, on the right side. So when you drill into metal, you're gonna have some kind of grease. Let's do this. Put a little bit on here. Oh shit. No, I didn't. Folks, I didn't just do that. I didn't do it. Let me clean this up. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm mad as hell I just did that, man. Nah, this shit don't want to stay on. Alright, you know what? Let's see if we can get through with this bit. This bit look kind of small though. I don't have too much faith in this bit. It's bigger. Let me see something. You too, man. Whew. Okay, so the plan is to go smaller and then work your way up as far as the bit size. So this should be close to the size of the yeah, it's definitely too far to the left, but ain't no turning back now. Let's see how much more I gotta go. Baby, come back. Oh, metal shards on the ground. Let's make sure I sweep that up. Oh, see that? Gotta go bigger. I gotta go bigger, man. My OCD is like, no. Put them back when you finish. All right, OCD, you got it. You got it, OCD. Let's try these two. I really want to go bigger than this one. Baby, come back. I didn't keep the bowl over here the first time. I don't know. I really don't know. Nope. That's no eat. All right. Let's try this one. Please let it be this one. Please be this one. Oh shit. It's not this one. Fuck you looking at? See, we start getting to these bigger sizes, man. Makes me nervous, man. There ain't no going back now. There ain't no going back now, man. Damn. Oh, man. This is getting to be a little bit nauseating. Listen, I know what a lot of people, you probably be like, yo, won't you just like, let me show you what I'm talking about. When you put the bit in there, won't you just do this? Nah, boy. Ain't nobody do that. This is the best way to do it. That should be the only way. Just keep taking your time. It's getting bigger and bigger each time. You know what I'm saying? No need to rush this. No need to rush this. There it is. There it is. Okay. So, I can't believe I done sprayed all that shit on it. Anyway, thank you, Grease, for disrespecting my bike. We're done with this. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. When y'all drill into like metal or anything like that, and you don't want it to rust, get some clear coat. Like for example, yo, I think I cut my thing with the bit through the glove. Shit. So when I had the plate mount, it was like mad extra. Like it came all the way up here. I didn't need that. I need it exactly to the size of the plate. So I cut this, and this is also, this thing's aluminum. But I put some clear coat on top. Regular clear coat, like, you know, the touch-up paint, it's got clear coat at the bottom. I'll put it on it. So what I'm gonna do is with this, put some clear coat around the hole, and it shouldn't rust, because, you know, Harley's actually steel. It would definitely rust. So what you do, be careful with the bits already. You know, I'm actually gonna sweep that up so I don't get in the tires or anything. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna put the clear coat on while it's drying. Yo, I think I really like scratched my finger, man. Which way is it? It's like this? I think it's like this. But I forgot how I did it last time. But it's the clear coat. Is it this way? I hope I don't fucking spill this thing. Or is it this way? Oh shit, it's actually this way. Woo! I think there's not a lot in there. So what you do is just touch over it. Put some on the inside. Like that. Put some more. Like this. This will help prevent it from getting rusty. There you go. See, it came over a little bit. Wipe a little bit off. But yeah, so we're gonna let that dry. Then I'm gonna do the install on it, which is pretty much the bolt. Just dry fast. It's dry fast, man. Wire, what are you doing down there, Wire? Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna sweep this up, so I'll come back when I'm actually putting on the thing. All right. You know, I'm actually gonna put some clear coat from under the bottom too. Really don't want it to rust under here, you know what I mean? Put some more. There you go. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for a second. All right, so the clear coat is dry. Okay, so I thought I'd put washers right here first, but I think I'm just gonna put it straight in like that, and then put washers in the back though. This is the part that's gonna be rubbing against the tank. So, I mean the tank, the fender. So far it fits. Oh shit, I think the hole's supposed to be a little bit over. Oh no! The hole should have been a little bit over that way. See? Okay, so I drilled it this way. I should have drilled it more this way. See? Live and you learn, man. Live and you learn. I'm just in the wrong direction, fellas and ladies. Not saying it won't work. Because it will. I'm not gonna snug it too much because gotta come back off for the wiring. I'm sorry, bully. That's not bad. And it's a whole lot closer to this than I thought. I was expecting, I mean. Oh shit. Not that bad, bro. Yeah, it's like a little bit up this way. I think I can adjust that though. To be honest with you. Look at it one more time. Look at it one more time. If I loosen this side, push that side up. But considering, yeah, you can see with the lines, it's a little further to the left. I wasn't even thinking about doing it, see? Now I learned. I was even thinking about lining it up with this curve right here. Just a little bit to the left. Ain't no big deal though. I think I can loosen this up a little bit and tilt it just a little bit to the right. But that's how it's gonna look overall though. Give y'all a full look of it. Dad, can he fit back here? Well, I don't want to scratch the back. I don't think I'm going to be running a license plate light, so you need the reflectors to make it legal actually. Okay, so it'll look something like this. Well, almost exactly like this actually. Put the bottom one on too. You know what? I'm not gonna put the fucking bottom ones on. I'm gonna have to take them shits right back off. Okay, so that's pretty much how it's gonna look. It don't look bad once the plate is on. So the LED strip, once that comes, it might get delivered today or tomorrow. I'll put it down here, like right over this hole, like this. Boom. I'll put some in the back so the dirt and water don't get through it. To cover these from the back, and yeah, it goes like that. So that's how it's gonna look, man. That actually looks pretty good. I remember my tape this time. I paid tolls the other day. I'm not happy about that. Not tolls, speeding tickets. Need to go check my plate, but I know I got caught. Okay. So yeah, man. So far, that's what we got. Yeah, it went a little bit up. I can see it from here. Gotta tilt a little bit, just a little bit this way. I think if I loosen the screws, I'll be able to manhandle it a little bit. But yeah, that's how it looks for now, man. So when the, what do you call it? The integrated strip come, and I gotta figure out how to waterproof this. I think I'm gonna have this behind the plate, behind here somehow. I haven't fully figured that part out yet. And yeah, it's coming along. But that's it for right now. All right.